Hello everyone, Zmiros with you, and this is already the fifth part. Hybrid solar panel creation. Today I will show you how to make the simplest converter that even a complete beginner can understand. As I expected this base converter from 105 volts to 12 volts. Definitely ineffective. Yes, very low effectiveness, but it works, and that is the most important thing. Now we can see is a detailed diagram. Now we will assemble this converter. We will need only a few components. Rotor with copper wire I taken from an electric motor, wire diameter 0.25 millimeters. 1 amperes 2222. This. And that is it. Nothing more. Yes, it is that simple. Now I glue the transistor to some hard disk for convenience. We glue the winding a little and one time with finish contacted. First we need 15 turns on the transistor on end of this winding goes to the base of the transistor. I finished. Next we solder a wire from 35 turns to 15 turns when 35 turns in the same direction, and this winding is connected to the transistor collector. This collector, this base, this emitter. From the collector, the current goes to the load. In our case, the plus of the blue LED. Plus blue LED. This. Next. The emitter of the transistor is connected to the minus of the battery, and the LED and the minus of the battery go to ground line. Now we can see how to connect this plus battery, this negative battery, this negative LED, this plus LED. Now I am soldering the wires. Complete. And this is done. I finished. Does it work? Many will say no way, but here's the thing. Take a low voltage battery and try to directly power the LED, nothing happens. If I connected the wires with LED, it don't work. But as soon as I connected the battery, energy is converted. Bam! But as soon as I connected the battery, energy is converted. Bam! Blue LEDs fire with 305 volts, but battery have 105 volts. It's work. Of course, I will improve this converter in feature parts so that it can work with lower wattage, especially with peltry elements, which are crucial for my hybrid solar panel. If you do not mind, I invite you to suggest ways to improve this circuit. May be a more powerful but still simple version. Follow me on Telegram. It was marvelous with you. See you in part 6. I was the last actor before the ground. This was marvelous. Goodbye.